Are you a cosplayer, a costumer, a quilter, someone else that utilizes a lot of fabric in their crafting, but don't have a dedicated sewing room to store all of your beautiful fabrics? Hi, I'm Phaedra Stutt with Practical Possibilities, here to go through with you today fabric purging and organizing. If you're anything like me, you pick up various fabrics thinking they're going to be good for one costume idea or the other, but then they start to build up, and soon you have a tub full of fabric that is just sitting there, and when you actually want something, it's probably down at the bottom, covered by other pieces of fabric. Or maybe you just go out and buy something new because you didn't realize you had something here already. So the first step we're going to take in organizing our fabric is to go through, purge some fabrics that we're not going to use, and also kind of keep tabs on what projects we think that each piece of fabric is going to be good for. So let's get started.
I am sorting my fabric into three different categories. The first category are fabrics that I have a specific use for. The second category are fabrics that I may have a use for, but not quite for sure, so they will be the first to go if I don't have room to keep everything I want to keep. And the final category are the fabrics that I definitely do not have a use for and will try to donate or sell to other crafting friends. I'm also keeping tabs on the fabrics that I am keeping. For the projects I have in mind, I will create a future project management file for these.
So the next step we're going to take is organizing what we're keeping. So now we are going to roll up our fabric into mini bolts so that we can easily place them vertically in our bin. As you can see here, I have a couple already done. So I just wrap the fabric around and I adhere it, in this case, with paper clips, and I'll get to that a little bit more. But I'm going to show you exactly how I roll a piece of fabric. So you take the salvage ends and you want them to meet. So you fold it in half with the straight salvage edges together. Give it a little smoothing. And then you will want to take a comic book board, which you could get about 100 of them, a package of 100 off of Amazon for about 15 bucks or less. So you take a piece of this. And so we'll be folding it this way. So you want to fold it in a long rectangle that will fit around here. And you can either do this in halves or you could do it in thirds. This will end up overlapping if I try to do half. So I'm going to attempt thirds. It's not going to be perfect, but if you're looking for perfect, you are on the wrong channel. So that's fine. We'll flip that over. We'll place our board here and kind of give it a little lip here, and then we just roll it like so. You smooth out the wrinkles as you go, as best as you can, and then you adhere it. Now, here's a caveat. I'm using metal paper clips because it's what I have on hand. However, plastic paper clips in the jumbo size, if you could get them, are probably going to be your best bet for this stage. Because if you are in some place with high humidity and some of that humidity gets to your fabric, and I'm sure this is if it sits for a long time, you know, you might get rust stains, and that's no good. That's not what we want on our fabric. So just a recommendation, don't do like I do and use metal unless it's what you have on hand and you can't really get anything else. Go for the plastic paper clips that are large, or you can also do a strip of elastic, just tie it off and wrap it around, and that also works well. But here we have a little mini bolt of fabric. We'll be able to place it in our bin like this. So I am going to do the rest of the fabric, and then we'll move on to the next step. So now you can see that all my fabrics that I am keeping are bundled up in these little mini bolts. And I even did the fabrics that I wasn't sure about because I guess I'm feeling pretty optimistic that they will all fit. So now we're going to put them back in the bin and filing them in like so.
As I'm sorting the fabrics, I'm keeping like colors with like, so it's easy to pick out the fabrics that I need when I need them. Also, I really hope that you enjoy this cameo by my cat.
Here we are. Everything fits nicely in this bin, and I can easily just pull out what I need when I need it. It is pretty packed in there tautly, so I guess I'm just gonna have to start doing some sewing so I can start wearing down this stash. And then I did have a few scraps that I am keeping in this Ziploc bag that held one of the other fabrics. So I'll stick that right in there. And then also the remainder of my boards. I hope this video has proved useful for you. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button right over there. And you can also catch another one of my videos by clicking right down there. And until next time, I'll see you later. Yes, I hear you.